Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stenevec along with Carol Masser. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg television markets correspondent Nora Melinda. Nora, there is a lot moving in the after hours.
Oh, I had so many to choose from today.
Oh, nice.
And a lot of them actually being in the tech space. I'm looking at shares of Nokia. They ended up about 22%. This is the ADR's ticker NOK. The best day since 2021. Of course, we know the stock was earlier halted for volatility. This is after the announcement that Nvidia will be investing $1 billion in the company. Of course, this is all in a push toward AI networking here. And this would give Nvidia a 2.9% stake here in the company. But you definitely are seeing these shares ending higher and Nvidia up about 4.9% to end the day.
Yeah, you definitely saw. I mean, Nokia, the ADRs during the day when the news hit, stopped trading because we were, waiting for that news to come out, and then just shot up like a rocket. Let's go to one of the home builders that also reported results.
Yes, not a pretty look here. So we did see shares that ended down 3.2% for DR Horton. That's ticker DHI. This is after incentives are really pressuring margins. As we know, a lot of the incentives in the home building space tend to be, whether it's a rate buy down, making sure that the customer has a rate that's about maybe 1% or a half percentage point below what the general market rate is, or throwing in just some random incentives like a dishwasher, things to make it a bit more appealing here for customers. But it seems as though this is all pressuring margins here for the company. And we did see S15 Home, which is the index that tracks all home builders more broadly, also falling on the day, down about 1%.
I mean, Nora just has a love for home builders.
I do. I can't escape it.
It's your DNA. That's what you covered before you were Bloomberg Markets television correspondent. Bloomberg television markets correspondent, excuse me. Okay, let's go to some more high tech.
Yes, more high tech in focus. I'm keeping eyes on Qorvo. That's ticker QVRO. And this is a stock that ended at its best day since April and its highest level in over a year. We did see shares up about 5.7%. This is after Apple essentially is saying that they want to really invest in their own homegrown chips. And so you are seeing Qorvo and a competitor, Skyworks Solutions, actually merging as they're trying to seek out certain opportunities for themselves to really benefit in this space. This would be a combination of about $22 billion here in value for these two companies here to be combined.
The stock has been on a tear this year. Qorvo.
Absolutely.
Up about 40%.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, really seeing some strong gains here.
Do we have time for a special guest?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Looking at shares of PayPal, this is ticker PYPL. Up on the day, up about 3.9%. And this is after it raised its full year earnings guidance. But they did talk about the fact that they are seeing a pullback, and particularly in terms of consumer spending here. So that's something that they noted. But of course, the headline here was the OpenAI deal. They're going to be embedding PayPal into its wallet, into ChatGPT. So PayPal's wallet will be embedded into ChatGPT. And you really are seeing the street really clearly taking a liking to this. It seems like OpenAI is striking a lot of deals as of late.
All over the place, like kind of crazy. Good stuff. Thank you as always. We appreciate it. Bloomberg TV markets correspondent Nora Melinda joining us here with some of the stocks on the move.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.